In this video, let us understand how to write the program to find area of 2D shapes. So here we talk about triangle, circle, square, rectangle. So you want to find the total area of the triangle, total area of the circle, square, rectangle. So this is a Python program example. In this series we are bringing many examples. You can watch all the videos and learn Python step by step. Fine. So now let's back and see the shapes. So what is the formula for to find the area? Now if you take a square, so what is a square? Square, all the sides are equal. So it is a square, the sides are equal. So this is a side. This is the one side. So if we know the side, then we can find the area of the square. So area is equal to fine. So there is a side square. Okay. So therefore area is equal to area. The area is equal to, if S is a side, then S square. Right. So in a rectangle, so that is side. This is the base up to this, and this is the height. So therefore area is equal to B into H. So in case of triangle, so again here is the base and this is the height of the triangle. So it should be a right angle here. So that is H. So area of triangle is equal to half BH. Whereas when you consider circle, radius is very important. If this is a center point, from here to here is the radius. So what is the formula for to find the area of the circle? That is pi r square. Pi r square. So this is a formula. So by using these formulas, we can take the input from the user. So in case of square, you take what is the side length that you have to take. In case of rectangle, you have to take the B and H. So here is a BH. In case of triangle, you have to take the height and the base. In case of radius, is a radius. In case of circle, it is a radius. Fine. So apart from this, we have more 2D shapes. So we should figure out the formula for the same. So square, as we discussed, we already know this is a rectangle, this is circle, this is a triangle. So now trapezoid. So trapezoid is equal to A plus B by 2 into H. Ellipse. So in case of ellipse, it's a pi AB. So there are two radius you have to take, one towards the shorter distance, one for the longer distance. Next is the parallelogram. A is equal to BH. Whereas in case of triangle, it's a half BH. So if you join the two triangles, so you'll get the parallelogram. So that's the meaning. Fine. Now let's see that how to write the program in Python. And let's make a function actually. So instead of in a Python, we'll make individual functions and we can call the function to find the area of square or area of the circle or a triangle. Okay, let's see that how to write the program in Python. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, so please click on Highblix tutorials. Then you can see there is a subscribe here. Click the subscribe button to subscribe. Also you can go to videos. Here you can browse all the videos we uploaded into YouTube. Here we started with the installation of Python, how to start Python, how to work with IDLE. Apart from this, we also have many project explanation. So watch which are the project you are interested and try to write the same program in any of interested language. So you can also try in Python. Right. Also learn the Python day wise. So in each day we are explaining some concept. So watch these videos to learn the Python in depth. Okay. So let's come back to the Python. So here we started the Python. Fine. So let me take out this. Right. So you go to file menu and create a new file. So you'll get a new file. So then here you need to write the program. So let us write the program first to find the circle. So area of the circle. So area of circle. Now we'll define the function for this. So there is no capital. Okay, def area of circle. So then we'll take the input inside the function itself. We declare the function. Now we'll take the input. So in case of circle, you need to take the radius. So I'll take as a n only, or n1. So that is equal to int will convert into integer. Then input. So please enter the radius. Fine. So we read the input now. We know the radius. So what is the area formula? So therefore area is equal to pi. This is 3.14. That is r square. So r square is n1 into n1. We can call it as r also. There is no problem. So in case of n1 is a confusion, so you take a radius r. So this is r square. R into r. Fine. It'll do the job. Now next we want to print this. So print area of circle is so that is area. Now our function is ready that we need to call this function. So how to call the function? So you can say area circle. Area circle, we don't need to pass anything. So once you run the program, so it should ask me the value. So generally you need to put colon at the end of the statement. So let's run it again. Now it will ask the radius. Okay, what is the radius? Radius is 5 centimeter. Then what is the total circle? So 78.5 centimeter square. If it's centimeter, it's centimeter square. So it's calculate the total area of the circle. Fine. So next one, we move on. We'll write for the triangle. So therefore you can define the function, define area triangle. So concept is almost same. So therefore I'll copy this. So in case of triangle, so what is the formula of BH? So half is 0.5. Okay, so then B is the base, H is the height. Okay, so enter the base length. Fine. So we'll take float only because we can take the decimal value also. Float. There is a length. Then you want to L. Okay. So then you want a base. Sorry, height actually. Height. Height is H. Now this is L into H. This is L and this is H. So otherwise you can call base as a B. B, this is also B. BH. Half BH. Then area of triangle is that area. Right. Now to call this function, okay, let's remark this. So I don't want to call this function. So now let us call the area triangle. You can also write area of triangle, but other area triangle, it's okay. Now let's run the program. So again we forget to put the colon. So don't forget to put the colon. So base length, let's say around 10 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. So total is 25 square centimeter. Okay, so this is the total area of the triangle. Now define one more function for square. Right. So in case of square, so here only we have to change the square. Then we record only one input in this case. So this equals say side. So then this off is not required. So this is S into S. Please enter the length. So this is the area of a square. Area of the square is area. So once you give the side, so side into side, so that is a square. Therefore, this will give the area of the square. Now you need to call these functions. So just copy this. Now with this you can remark. Now you can run the program. So enter the length. So if it's 5 centimeter, again is a 25 is the total area. So rectangle is also almost same. So therefore you can make def. So the four functions you are creating now. So one is area of square, area of a rectangle now. Please enter the length. Then height is required. So therefore there is a height here. So this is equal to S into H. So this is a rectangle. So area of rectangle is area. So how to call this function? So you have to call this function. So now when you run this project, sorry, in this program, so we'll ask for the length. So length is 10 centimeter. What is the height? Is 5 centimeter. So totally 50 square centimeter is the area of the rectangle. Now all four are there. So what we can do is we can make a choice actually which one you want to find. So when you run this project, so user has to enter the choice. According to that, we can find the area of triangle or the circle or the square. So therefore, we'll have a choice. Print. Let's say ch is equal to print here you can say enter your choice. So then you have to give the choice number. This I'll take it as an integer. So what are the choices? So that we need to print. So one for first we'll take the triangle. Okay, one for triangle, two for square, circle, square, and rectangle. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can have the choice 5 to exit. When you select 5, exit. Fine. So this is for area of circle. So one for circle, two for triangle, three for square, so four for rectangle. Right. So enter your choice. So you have to say while true, okay, so while true we have to put top. Sorry. Right. So now if ch is equal to 1, then you have to carry the area of circle. If ch is equal to 2, then so else if So we'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's 5, it's a break. I'll increase the size now. Okay, so now this is the area of triangle. I should come over here. This is the area of square. This must come here. Then this is the area of rectangle. Okay, let me check. Fine. So here a small change. So here is a print earlier, but we have to change to input here. We need to read the value. Fine. Now let's run this. So we'll have a choice here: circle, triangle, exit. Enter your choice. So what is your choice? So one circle. So what is the radius? 5. So then you can see that it will print the area of the circle. Area of the circle, and then again choice will come. So this is because we are put inside the loop. So after entering the choice, we can also put one line here. Sorry, print. So your choice 2. So what is the base length? 5. What is the height? 5. So then you can see that it print the total triangle. So you can have one here also. So one circle. Okay. So we'll print. So area of the triangle. Later there is a line over here. So then you can enter the choice again. So now your choice is 4. So what is the length? 4. What is the height? 6. Then it will give the total rectangle area. Right, again it will ask for the choice. So now if you 5, so it will come out of the loop. So you can enter 1, 2, 3, 4 again and again. We are in the loop itself. If you want to come out, you can press 5 and then come out. Fine. So please try this program. And what do you feel, or if you have any difficulties, please write it in the comment. Let me know this. Thank you.